Hello everyone, welcome to today's session on solving quadratic equation. So we'll see how to solve a quadratic equation. Now a quadratic equation is of the form, the general format of a quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now these equations are of degree 2. Now what do you mean by a degree? A degree is measured by the highest power of that equation. So in this case, the highest power of this equation is 2. For a linear equation, the highest power will be 1. So linear equations are of degree 1 and quadratic equations are of degree 2. The linear equation will provide one and only one solution, but a quadratic equation will generally have two solutions. So that's what we are going to see here, how to solve a quadratic equation. Now, there are mainly two methods of solving a quadratic equation. One is the solution by factors and another is the solution by formula. So here we'll see how you solve a quadratic equation by using the formula method. So for that, we need to learn a formula, and the formula is x equals minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So like I said in the beginning, the quadratic equation will produce or will give two solutions, and that's why we have to put this plus or minus symbol here. Or this can also be written as the two solutions minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, and the next solution will be x equals minus b minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Having said this, we'll move forward in solving a quadratic equation. I'll give you an example. So consider the equation 2x squared minus 3x minus 4 equal to 0. Now like I said, our formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now all we need to do is just substitute the coefficient of each term. So the coefficient of the x squared term. So in general, the format is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So x squared term, the coefficient is 2. So in this equation, the coefficient of x squared is a, so we take a as 2. Now, what would we be? B is the coefficient of the x term, so here it is negative 3. And what about c? C is the constant term, that is negative 4. Now all you want to do is just substitute this ABC in this equation. So when you substitute, x is equal to, x is what you need to find, minus b. Minus b will be minus, and b is negative 3, plus or minus root of b square minus 3 the whole square minus 4 times a is 2 times c is negative 4 over 2 times a is 2. Now simplifying this, expanding the bracket, you'll get negative of negative 3 is plus 3 plus or minus root of negative 3 the whole square is 9, negative 4 times 2 times negative 4. So that will be plus 32, because negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. Negative 8 times negative 4 is plus 32 over 2 times 2, that is 4. Now this would be equal to 3 plus or minus root of 32 plus 9, that is root of 41 over 4. Now find what is this root of 41. You can use the calculator. and root 41 will give you the answer of 6.403 over 4. So now you split these two solutions. So one solution will be x is equal to 3 plus 6.403 over 4, or another solution will be x is equal to 3 minus 6.403 over 4. Now the answer will be x is equal to 2.35, rounding off to 2 decimal points. So the answer of 3 plus 6.403 over 4 will be x is equal to 2.35. This is one solution, and another solution will be x is equal to negative 0.85. This also I've rounded it to 2 decimal points. This is the answer that you get when you do the operations 3 minus 6.403 over 4. So this was just an example of how to solve a quadratic equation by using the formula method. So in case you won't be able to solve or find the solution to a quadratic equation using the factorizing method, then if you know the formula, using this formula you'll be able to find the solution to a quadratic equation. Thank you for watching the video.